So you've been arrested, or you want to file for a divorce. Or here's another one, you want to buy some property. Well, there's one profession that's common to all of those things. That's retaining a lawyer. But you don't want just any lawyer. You want the best lawyer who will achieve whatever job it is you want to engage him or her in. And how do you do that?
They have to select a lawyer to do the work that they want done. You just don't walk into anybody's chambers and say you want a lawyer to do this or to do that. I think it is incumbent upon Joe Public, when he goes out and he needs legal work done, he needs to go to a lawyer who does that particular kind of work for him. He needs to ensure that he is going to get the kind of service that he is going to pay for. So you go in and you pay, first of all, a consultation fee. You also go in and you ensure what the cost of that service is going to be.
An attorney for some 24 years now, Bahamas Bar Association President Ruth Bo Darville likened the service of lawyers to that of doctors.
Lawyers are just like doctors. They have to get paid. They render a service and they have to be paid for their service. If you don't pay a doctor, you die. Unfortunately, if you don't pay a lawyer, you don't die, but you just don't get your work done.
And here's a few other tips you should keep in mind.
Remember always to keep your copy of a document and always get a receipt from your lawyer as to the document that you've given him. Always. It is also in your best interest to keep your own running file as to what you've given your lawyer and what he is doing for you. It's also very important that if you want to keep a very good relationship with your lawyer, as with your priest and your doctor, you should tell your lawyer your entire story. Don't tell half-truths, don't give half stories. It's always, always, always important to tell your lawyer the full story. The worst thing is for a lawyer to be representing you and to get into court and then be caught by surprises by the other side.
You should also remember to 1. Treat your lawyer like any other service provider. 2. Set up a reporting procedure where you arrange to meet or call your lawyer once a month or once every 2 months, because every time you call or meet with him or her, you're charged. And finally, you are entitled to fire your lawyer. If you don't like the service he or she is doing, then get rid of him or her before it's too late. I'm Sasha Lightbourne, and now you know your rights.